I was thinking there may be some people out there who are trying to figure out how to pre-oil a modern engine. Maybe some old timers like myself who are familiar with pulling the distributor and getting access to the oil pump shaft and pre-oiling that way. On modern engines, most of them you can't do that anymore. And so I figured out a way to get it done on this 3.7 liter V6 out of a Ford. And so I thought I'd share what I did. So this engine, which puts out about 300 horse, is going to go into this RX-7 project, 1984. First gen RX-7. It took a lot of work to make it fit, but I'm not going to go into that now. So anyway, what I did was I found the oil galley plug on the passenger side of the engine, pulled that out, figured out what threads it uses, and ordered an AN fitting with those threads. I did have to modify the fitting a little bit to work just right with the O-ring. But anyway, that fitting is here. And then this is another fitting that adapts from AN to hose nipple. So I'm just using 3/8 fuel hose to pump it down from this $7 oil pump I got at O'Reilly's. And you could just have a container of oil to pump from, but I got this, I think it's called the Easy Oil Drain fitting. There's a guy that has a company that makes these. Let's see, I got his business card over here. Oildrainvalve.net, I guess it is. So this is just a neat little time saver fitting that you can put on any oil pan. Of course, they have different ones for different threads and so forth. But once you put it on there, you can do an oil change without using a wrench, because to release the oil, all you have to do is turn this valve to open it up, and then you can drain out your oil. So anyway, this fitting has a hose barb on it, so I could just stick this 3/8 hose right over there, and fits real nice without a clamp or anything. And so I'm just going to pull the oil from the pan and pump it into the engine. And so let's see, got my oil pressure gauge rigged up here. Let's see if it works. You can hear the air coming out of the oil passageways, possibly. I can hear it anyway. Well, there's about 10-15 psi. I can bring it up even higher, but I don't want the oil to spill over the edge of the head. If you look in here, maybe you can see that the oil is flowing, lubricating the cams, and of course it's lubricating the main bearings and everything underneath as well. Got it up to 15 psi. I've had it up even higher. But anyway, that's about it. Just wanted to show you that. I am going to use this fitting long term. I'm going to hook the AccuSump up to that fitting, which helps you to maintain oil pressure under G loading. All right. Thank you very much. Have a good one.